Hyperactive insomnia. So you've identified through my guidebook that you probably fit the category of hyperactive insomnia. So that's step one. Step two is you now want to identify which of the four types of insomnia do you have, right? Is it emotional, hormonal, metabolic, or psychiatric? And then once you identify that, probably your next question is, Jimmy, what do I do next? How do I actually fix it, right? Well, I can't tell you exactly how you can fix it, but what I can share with you for educational purpose only, this is not a diagnosis, but I can share with you what I have done over the past 20 plus years in clinical practice and what my team continues to do in our clinic to help people who have hyperactive insomnia, whether it is emotional, hormonal, metabolic, or psychiatric. What do we do for those patients to help their bodies get rid of their insomnia by themselves? So let's dive in. So this is a review of what the four types of insomnias are. Again, this is my discovery over 20 plus years of treating thousands of patients. It is not listed in any Chinese medicine book, acupuncture book. They don't teach us this in school. I had to discover it after treating thousands of patients. Only my team practices this way. So the four main types of insomnia that I've discovered are emotional, which is related to your liver function. And we're talking about more hyperactive, right? So emotional insomnia tends to be more hyperactive cause, which is a liver dysfunction. And hormonal is adrenal or kidney dysfunction. So in the metabolic insomnia, you will have more stomach problems. And psychiatric is heart. So what I did, I like things simple. I don't know about you. I don't like complex things. So when I was treating patients, what I did is I always tried to create solutions that were simple, right? Not vast and complex, because I want it to be duplicatable so my team members can duplicate my success. That's why I created two main foundational formulas for insomnia. One that treats hypoactive insomnia and one that treats hyperactive insomnia. And today I'm going to go over the formula, my secret proprietary formula that we use in clinic for all hyperactive insomnia. So for my hyperactive insomnia patients in clinic, I created this formula called the Quiet Anchor. Okay, it's got two names. Right now, the name is the Quiet Anchor, or it can be called the Quiet Anchor Drained, or the Quiet Anchor. It's the same thing, okay? So this is what I created. Now, you're not going to find this formula in any herb shop, any herb store, any other TCM clinic in the world, because this is what I created, and it's only available two places. One, if you're a patient in our clinic, or two, you can go to my online store, restorativelongevity.com. So the three main herbs that are in this formula for hyperactive insomnia, one is chai hu, blue plerum root, longgu, fossilized bone mineral, mu li, oyster shell. If you're allergic to seafood, shellfish, you can't take this, right? You might get allergic reaction. But don't worry, I always got different ways. You can see that traditionally these herbs would nourish, like chai hu nourishes the liver and gallbladder. Longgu nourishes the heart, liver, and kidney. Mu li nourishes the liver and the kidney. You may be wondering, oh, but what about the stomach? Don't worry. I've got herbs in here. I've got 20, 30 herbs in here, and some of them cover the stomach. But these are the three main ingredients, the active ingredients, the main function, right? So Euplerium root, chai hu, it uses to ease stress-related tension, helps regulate an overactive stress response. Side benefit, it supports emotional steadiness, digestive comfort, and stress resilience. Possible side effects: digestive upset, headaches, rare liver concerns. That's only if you overdose and if you only take it by itself. Okay. Longgu, fossilized bone mineral, traditionally used to settle agitation, nervousness, palpitations, and easily disturbed sleep. It's kind of like magnesium, calcium. These are minerals. So, side benefit, it may support a steadier, more grounded feeling when stress produces physical restlessness. So if you have restlessness, even if you have restless legs, this can help. I commonly use a combination of longgu and mu li. Side effect may cause constipation. Product purity and professional sourcing matters. Don't worry, my supplements are pharmaceutical grade and third-party tested. Mu li, oyster shell, it traditionally is paired with longgu, and it reduces nighttime restlessness, tension, and frequent waking. So it has a really good sedative effect. Side benefits: provides mineral-based support, traditionally used in tension with sweating or palpitations. Side effect: constipation. It may be inappropriate for some with kidney dysfunction, right, or kidney problems. But again, if you combine the herbs correctly, in my clinic, we never give our patients just one single TCM herb. We always combine 20, 30, 40 herbs together so we can neutralize all of these side effects and only give our patients the side benefits, right? How cool is that? Difference between my formulas and medications: my formulas are restorative, right? Because you can see these organs. These herbs help restore your organ function, your organ system function. Because again, if you want to fix your insomnia, you got to restore your organ function. You don't just put things that help you sleep, you restore the organ function. When your organs are functioning normally and optimally, they naturally will help you sleep. That's the difference in our clinic. Sleep medications, they're just band-aids, right? They just help you sleep, but they don't fix any problem. That's why you got to take a pill every single day. So it's important to know how you combine the herbs. Do the herbs have side effects? Absolutely. Chai hu, when it's taken in massive dosage and a single herb by itself, yes, it can create toxicity for your liver. But if you combine it with other herbs that I put in this formula, it neutralizes all of those side effects and all you get is the side benefits. That's how I create formulas. I don't create formulas just to help your symptom. Now, these help your symptom, they help you sleep. But more importantly, they're focused on restoring organ function. And specifically for this one, when it's hyperactive, we're looking at your liver, we're looking at your stomach, your kidneys, and your adrenals. We're looking at your heart, right? They're hyperactive. That's why you're having insomnia. And that's why you may do something and it helps a little. You may do a supplement that helps your liver, but it doesn't address adrenals and your kidneys or your heart or your stomach. That's why it helps your sleep, but it doesn't fix it. You got to keep on taking that supplement, right? And you're probably thinking, oh, Jimmy, can I have all 4 types of insomnia all at once? Absolutely. That's why I created these formulas to address no matter what type of hyperactive insomnia. This formula is the foundation that we've used for our patients for the past 20 years. This is a foundation. Now, if your insomnia and your organs are not restored with just this formula, that's when we combine other formulas that I also created. I don't use the traditional formulas that we learned in school because they're in my clinical experience, and this is just my opinion, they're one-dimensional. And from my clinical experience, they help with one thing, but then they don't help with other things. And that's why when I created these formulas, my proprietary formulas, I thought about all that. I thought about, oh, a patient may have this, may have emotional type of insomnia. Could they also have the hormonal type? Well, yes. So I added herbs that can address the root cause of hormonal. Oh, if they can have 2, can't they have 3? Can't they have 4? Can't they have 5 and 6? You see? I thought about all that. And the reason why I know that is because I've treated thousands of patients. This is not me just going to school, not having any clinical experience, or maybe only treating 10, 20 patients and then trying to make a formula to sell to the public. No. I've been in practice for 20 plus years. It is because of hundreds of thousands of people online in social media. They see that we have the most 5-star Google reviews and they're like, hey, I can't come to your clinic. I'm in a different state, a different city. I just can't get there consistently. Is there any way I can help you? It's because of those people that I created my new company, Restorative Longevity, to help those people. And so that is the reason why. Otherwise, if people can just fly to my clinic, that would be the best. Because in addition to the herbs, we also do my QRA. We also have my nerve reboot. We also have other therapies that can help them restore their organ function. But the foundation of it is these TCM herbs. Now, if you don't have access to the guidebook that I've just been showing you and talking about, you can just comment below the word sleepy and my team will see it and they'll send you a link to get free access to my insomnia guidebook, which has all this information.